Hello, today in the video we will be talking about the conditional and future tense. The future tense is used to describe an action that will happen in the future, and the conditional tense is used to speculate what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen.
About something that will happen in the future. One of the ways that you can do this is by using the present tense. If you were to say, I will call you this afternoon, you could say, Te llamo esta tarde. Another way to describe something in the near future is by using the verb ir plus the infinitive. If I wanted to say, I am going to leave tomorrow, I would say, voy a salir mañana. The final way to describe something that will happen in the future is by using the future tense. This tense and the conditional are the tenses that we will be going over in this video.
In Spanish, use the future tense when referring to something that will happen in the future. It consists of AR, ER, and IR verbs and uses the endings a, as, a, amos, ace, and on. The associative form is the only conjugation where there is no accent.
For example, if I want to say that I will sing, I would use the future tense of cantar and say yo cantaré. Or if I wanted to say that we will drink, I would take the infinitive form of beber and say nosotros beberemos.
Annalynn conjugates the verb by taking the infinitive of cantar and adding the yo form ending of the future tense, a, to the end. Here is the verb chart that shows the conjugations for the regular verbs in the future tense. Hablar, hablaré, hablarás, hablará, hablaremos, hablaréis, hablarán.
Just like any verb tense in Spanish, there are some irregular verbs for the future tense. These irregular verbs include caber, haber, poder, querer. Also, poner, salir, tener, valer, venir, decir, and hacer made the irregular verb list. If I were to say that I will have $3 tomorrow, I would say yo tendré $3 mañana.
For the conditional tense, which is used to say what could, might have, and what we wish would happen, take the infinitive of the verb and add the endings ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, and ion.
Let's say that we want to win the soccer game tomorrow. I would say, nosotros ganaríamos el partido de fútbol. Or, if I wanted to say I would like tacos, I would say, a mí me gustarían los tacos.
In the conditional tense, I would conjugate a regular verb like dar by saying daría, darías, daría, daríamos, daríais, darían. And just like the future tense, there are some basic irregulars such as caber, haber, poder, and querer. Here are the other irregular verbs: poner, salir, tener, valer, decir, and hacer.
Future quiz. Yo blank mucho para la examen. Ella blank los gatos gordos. Nosotros blank al prisión por asesinato de los gatos gordos. Joey Nick blank un fireball. Annalynn blank mucho dinero a la partida de fútbol. Conditional quiz. A Joe le blank cocaína. Logan blank un bordel. Logan blank genial. Joe blank a 3 personas por accidente, incluido Nick. Nick y Logan blank una fábrica con explotación exagerada.